time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life.
Okay, so keys, check. Now we're going to wind up this power cord. And then we're going to go and get some new tires today.
Own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and out to them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.
Alright guys, well we made it. Our Popular Tire. She is getting her new shoes. Okay, we made it home. New tires. Excuse the noise, the neighbor is cutting down a tree. I did decide to keep one of the ones that they took off though, because they're actually really good tires. They're Michelin, but they're old. They have a date of 2007, but it was not cheap. Jesus. Of course, the government has to get in there with all these extra fees, which is somewhere here. Ontario tire fee, $28. Ridiculous. So $607, but at least, fingers crossed, we won't blow a tire. God, it's beautiful today. Finally. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this one. I don't know if I'll put it in the RV or not. Seems like a lot of weight to just drag around, but in decent shape. It just has an old date on it. Now I'm going to get some soap and wash these ones up, and maybe go for a drive. I'm basically just cleaning up whatever it is that they used to get the tire on. See if we can't make it look a little better. Or a little cleaner. Okay, let's go wash off the other side. Whoops. there we go. Hopefully when they dry, they'll look a little bit better. There's what's left of the tree the neighbor cut down. This one's starting to dry. Much better. Alright guys, well if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. There will be more videos in the future. As soon as this coronavirus stuff starts to calm down a little bit, we will be on the road. I plan to head to British Columbia, with several stops along the way obviously, but yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.